Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to back up the games in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the game that I wish to back up. Now all I'm gonna do is click on Manage. At the right hand side, you will see the Manage button right here. Click on it right now. Once you do, all you guys need to do is shift right over to Properties. It's at the bottom. Click on it. Now guys, this is it. This is the Properties section. From here, simply scroll down to Installed Files. And guys, this is it. From here, you can browse the location of where the files are installed, back up the game files, move the install folder, and simply verify integrity of game files. Right now, I want to back up it, so I'm going to click on this button right here that says Backup. Now it's going to ask me to choose a directory. I'm going to select one right now. As you can see, I have selected a directory. Now all I'm gonna do is click on this Create Backup button right here. And guys, this is it. This is how you back up the game files in Steam. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.